Basically, watching your videos brought me here today. I've been trying to find myself for the past 29 years. I've had my ups and downs, I've been lost my life in the process. So yeah, I've been studying Islam and it makes sense to me.
Okay.
I think it's time to take my shahada.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Kajal, before we do that, just tell me what brought you to this decision that you're making right now.
I studied all the religions, tried it all, Buddhism, Christian, everything. I find they either contradict themselves or, there's nothing valid that stands out to me. It's like made that final decision.
What do you understand of Islam? What do you understand from Tawheed, from the idea of worshipping one God? What do you understand from that?
Really, I just believe there's one God and there's, the last prophet was Muhammad.
Fantastic. Okay, so when we say La ilaha illallah, we're saying there's no God worthy of worship except for one God. Yeah? So we direct all our venerance and all of our reverence, everything to that one God. All of our worship only belongs to God. There's no other God but God, in that sense. And there's no other God worthy of worship except for that one God that created us, yeah? And we say that all the prophets came with one message, which is to believe in the one God and to worship the one God. Okay? And then the final prophet was Prophet Muhammad. So that's what the meaning of the Shahada is in a nutshell. So do you accept the terms of that?
Yeah.
Okay. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to say it in Arabic, and then you're going to repeat after me. Is that
I
right?
have to do it slowly though.
Yeah, that's fine. That's alright. That's okay. And then afterwards, obviously, I'm going to give you my number. We're going to stay in contact. Yeah. Okay. You say Ashhadu.
Ashhadu.
Allah.
Allah.
Ilaha.
Ilaha.
Illallah.
Illallah.
Wa ashhadu.
Washhadu.
Anna. Muhammadan.
Muhammadan.
Abduhu.
Abduhu.
Wa rasuluh.
Wa rasuluh.
I bear witness
that
there is only one God worthy of worship, and that Muhammad is his final prophet, and slave. Takbir! 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 So welcome to the family, my friend.
Thank you.
Welcome to 1.8 billion brothers and sisters.
And counting.
Thanks,
man. Good, mate.
Congratulations.
Congratulations,
Inshallah, today you came as the day your mother gave birth to. So alhamdulillah, sorry for interrupting you.
No, sorry, I apologize, man. Someone told us to preach.
I just want to say to
you just joined the club, man.
Now you're close to me as my own family, because when we die, we're going to be raised on the bond of Iman and not the bond of blood. So the whole thing is at the moment you become part of our family and we're all one, like at the end of the day, you're a believer now. Everything in the past is done with, and you're part of our brother, your brother to us, black, white, rich, poor, this, that, and the other. You have like 2 billion or something brothers that. So take care, inshallah.
Now you got 2 billion and 1 brothers, man. Mashallah. What's your name, Akhi?
Tony.
Tony, nice to meet you, man. Muhammad, I'm your brother, man. Thank you. Nice to meet you, man.
And take
now,
step by step.
everything is step by step.
Take step by step. Slowly, take step by step. Find someone to teach you the Quran, how to recite the book of Allah Azza wa Jal, learn how to pray the Salah, inshallah. And don't rush things. Take it step by step. And inshallah, the religion is very easy. Nothing is difficult. Allah did not make anything difficult for you. Step by step, inshallah. And be around good people. I advise you to be around good people. Because if you go back to your old friends, they're only going to take you back how you used to be.
Yeah, that's what I've had to cut out.
So cut a lot of them. I'm not saying like cut them out, but when you see them, give, advise them. And the Messenger ﷺ said, "Al-maru ala dini khalili, فَلْيَنْظُرْ أَحَدُكُمْ مَنْ يُخَلِّلُ." That you're upon the religion of your friend. So you should know who your companion is. So be around people. Not everyone is suitable to be your friend. Anyone that gets you far away from Allah Azza wa Jal, that when you're with him, you feel that your iman is getting low, and that you're disobeying Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, this person is a toxic friend. So be around good people, brothers that can help you, inshallah. This brother is a good brother, inshallah.
So is this brother, man. We'll both give you our numbers, innit?
Take us, inshallah.
Take as many numbers as you can.
Inshallah,
You're going to be getting late night calls as well. Don't worry about that.